Okay, so it looked like this poor seagull from Waretown had line wrapped around his foot, but it appears to be a hook is actually inside of his lower abdomen by his, we'll call it his groin area. I'm gonna undo the one from his foot, but then I have to figure out how to get this hook from inside of his bottom. He also has a hook in his foot. I'm gonna try to carefully get that out and then see what's going on here with the groin. The foot's got to be more painful, so we're gonna deal with that right now. So we got the weight in the hook and the line off of his right foot. We'll hope that this isn't dead. I got the hook out of his lower area. I had to cut the barb off. His wings are moving nice. He's feeling better. All right, sweetie. All right, little guy. Let's hope that you do well. There you go. He had a hook in his foot in his lower gut area. Cleaned up his foot a little bit. He was standing on it. Strong. And he's happy to be home. All's well. Have a good day, little guy.